What if I told you that you could start graphic design today with zero experience? Today, I will show you how Google Nano Banana can turn anyone into a graphic designer within seconds. It is a lightweight, AI-powered design assistant by Google. It helps you create logos, posters, social media designs, and more. It works on mobile and desktop, and it is free. Here is why I love it. It is perfect for beginners. You don't need Photoshop, you don't need CorelDRAW. All you need is your phone or your laptop. You want to learn how to use Nano Banana? Come on, let's go.